Hey, hi, welcome to Perf Mentor's SAP Performance Testing Bootcamp. My name is Talon D. Cruz and I will be your mentor for this bootcamp. Before we dive into the details, let me introduce myself. My name is Talon. I was born and brought up in Chennai and I joined the IT industry in the year 2008. I was originally trained in mainframe, and year 2008, that's exactly when the Lehman Brothers crashed, right? Because of which I couldn't get into any mainframe related projects, and I was sitting the bench for more than a month. Then I had the opportunity to work in one of the global support project where my work involved fixing technical defects, monitoring the application servers, database servers, and if there is an anomaly, report it. If it is simple, I even got the opportunity to fix those issues. That was my routine work. And after 6 months, I was the same kind of work I was doing. So after 6 months, I was looking for a change. I again got an opportunity to work in one of the functional automation project, but still even I got bored doing that. So exactly after a year, I was looking for a career change. So that's exactly when I had the opportunity to join performance testing bootcamp in my organization. That changed my life. I mean, after that bootcamp, I decided that this is going to be my skill for my rest of the life. After the bootcamp, I had the opportunity to work for capability team, where I had the opportunity to work for multiple projects with different business verticals, working on different protocols. Next to 7 years, I had a very rich experience from the team. I became an expert in performance testing, various protocols, various applications. It was a great deal of experience in that project. So after 7 years, I had the opportunity to travel to UK and Scotland, where I worked for 4 major projects. Alongside performance testing, I was also doing a lot on performance engineering during my 5 years experience there. After that, I again came back to India, spent a year in working for one of the wholesale retail performance project. Again, I had the opportunity to travel to US, where I am currently residing. So here I worked in 2 major retail projects, both running on SAP. Overall, if you look at my tenure, I have over 18 plus years of experience in the IT industry, out of which almost 6 plus years I have worked in performance testing projects. So that's about me and my experience. Now coming to the bootcamp, let's see what this bootcamp offers. Before we go there, let's first try to understand who are the target audience for this bootcamp. Number 1, freshers who wants to build the skill on a niche hot skill technical area. This will be really helpful to you. Number 2, people who are already into IT industry, doing functional testing or manual testing or support projects, right? If you want to switch your career into a hot skill, this bootcamp will definitely help you. And number 3, people who are already into performance testing or kind of technical testing, who wants to build their capability or enhance the skill on the SAP performance testing. This will help you. Also, I get queries from a lot of testers who are newly inducted into SAP performance projects. So this will help you as well. So if you look at the course structure, we have 2 formats. One is pre-recorded session as well as one-on-one live sessions with me. So if you look at the pre-recorded session, it's a 18-hour recorded session. So almost 10 different topics related to SAP performance testing and SAP performance engineering. And also, apart from this recorded session, you also get a live interactive session with me. So we can talk about whatever was covered in this bootcamp. If you have any questions, I can clarify that. And I can also share my project related experience with you in this 5 hours of course session. If there are any specific doubts that you have or help that you need in your project, I can help you as well. So that's about the bootcamp. So now let's start this learning journey.